Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi, everyone. As you guys know, I do like doing quite a few different activities. And gardening is something that I think is also a mindful activity. I was not able to do very much gardening this year. And again, I've just been caring for a loved one. And unfortunately, the fresh fruits, vegetables, and plants we had to eliminate. But in any case, I did get an opportunity to grab a pepper plant that was already started when I was doing a charity event to try to bring awareness to the group that we have here for crafting. And when I picked up this pepper plant, I brought it home and put it on my deck and tried to take care of it. But again, because I got really busy and it was unexpected more recently, I haven't been able to do a whole lot with the plant. Pepper plants are actually pretty easy to grow, and thank goodness they are. So I was able to have some peppers to grow. So today I'm going to harvest them. My plant looks a little pitiful, so I guess I've kind of been a little bit of a bad um, plant parent. But in any case, the peppers have ripened and I'm going to harvest them today. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me. So come on along with me as I harvest these beautiful, beautiful peppers. Okay, let's take a look. All right, guys, so here I am. This is my pepper plant, and I thought that I would just go ahead and show you. I've already taken up a few, but I thought that I would show you. And again, my plant is looking really pitiful, and the leaves are kind of wilting and whatnot. But as you see, I have some beautiful, beautiful peppers on there, and I've allowed them to ripen. So let's go ahead and take them off, okay? Right now. So I have my peppers, they are right here, and I am so, so happy that I was able to get something grown this year. Perhaps next year will be a better year for us, and I'll be able to do a little bit more gardening um, in the yard. But for now, I am happy for this. Yes, gardening can be a very wonderful and um, mindful activity. Um, and if you haven't tried it out, maybe just try your hand with a starter plant or something. It makes it easy and takes the guesswork out. Okay. All right. So, yes, these can be used fresh, or you can take them and cut them and freeze them, or you can actually pickle them. I have pickled them and done like a little spicy um, pepper jar, and they turn out really, really yummy. All right. So, yes, um, gardening, right? Okay. So, that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up, and all the well wishes and prayers and everything. I really do appreciate it. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know, have you tried gardening? Have you ever grown peppers? And if not peppers, what did you try to grow and how did it go? All right. So thank you so much. Do everything you can to be mindful, to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video or in one of yours. Take care now. Bye bye.